Good day, sir and madam. I am Trinity Jean Abayon, 33 years old, single mom, blessed with two children, 12-year-old girl and a 2-year-old boy. I am Catholic. I am high school graduate. I am from Ubando, Bulacan, Philippines. My hobbies is cooking, cleaning, and reading stories. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. I have 7 brothers and 2 sisters. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 2 months. I have served 5 family members, 2 adults and 1 infant and 2 children. And I also work as a local helper here in Philippines for 2 years. I have served 4 family members, 2 adults and 2 children. Thank you.